Hey, good morning, afternoon, evening or night. I'm not sure in which time zone you are watching this video, but thanks for tuning back in. This is Niels from GMC Mini Truck, and today I'm going to tackle something funny again. So this is another fun stuff update, and it's regarding a neon which I acquired many years ago, and I will be putting it on my wall here. So I still have some free space here. I think it would actually be a fun part to put it up. So all it requires is just two mounting screws. So I have to drill some holes here in my wall, then put some plugs in, screws in, hang it up, put it into my socket. Well, that's maybe one of the easiest things I've ever done. Just two screws and there it is. So let me fire up the main switch and then here we go. It's glorious, isn't it? Let me turn off this light. So, and this is the actual proper neon. It's not the LED equivalent, but this is actually glass with neon. So you can also feel it. It's yep, proper ozone. So I must say, pretty stoked with this. It's a nice addition to the garage, and of course the other things I'm working with. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye. And toodaloo.